Leave it here or take it out?
Remove it.
Hit first. How we roll.
No. Okay, that's the last one then, correct? Or the two, because they're just trying to. I'm just asking more than anything.
Yeah, there's not quite enough to do it
Yeah.
in one shot.
So how do you have a timeline for when this is going to get accomplished? You feel now?
Okay.
You know, you have a timeline for this still. Then that when you might get it done.
Oh, I'm hoping to have something I can go in and by Halloween.
Halloween, Jesus.
Halloween Jesus.
Well, Jesus, I dressed up as Jesus for Halloween one time.
I was both God and the devil once.
You're the same.
I had a giant costume to be the God. It was like 12 feet tall, giant dude. But underneath I was wearing a devil costume.
Interesting. So I guess you would know then on Halloween. So I guess the Catholic Church is right up with the devil worship on Halloween at the pagans and what they're all about. Well, the thing is that you're at Woodlawn. That was the best parties though for Halloween, for real. They really were.
Yeah, they're good times, huh?
So I talked to Jim about this on when I saw him like a couple days ago, or last week rather, and I said, "Well, Jordy will say that this is your party," and he said, "Well, when I'm living there, sure, you know, all well and good." I'm like, "But you weren't always living there." He said, "Well, this is Jordy's party." And I said, "I'll ask Jordy. Jordy's probably gonna say this is up to Jim."
Oh, Jim's out of there. He doesn't have no saying anything anymore.
What's that?
Jim's out of there. He's got no saying anything anymore.
Oh, exactly. That's so. What I'm getting is now I'm hassling you about it with the party
Oh,
at Woodlawn.
yeah, I think we're doing a party now.
Yeah, for Halloween then. Like the second week in December or whatever. Or whatever.
Halloween falls on Saturday.
Whatever.
Yeah, we're going to do
Whatever the.
a little bit of a Halloween bash thing.
Yeah, the pumpkin thing. The pumpkin.
Yeah, like little pumpkins.
Yeah, exactly.
We're trying to keep it to 100 people, so there's 5 of us. We each can invite 20 people.
Done, Shorty.
So, we invited the Kennedys and the Brandon Dallas.
Hey,
Hey, Google.